Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As told in the New Testament Gospels, Judas betrayed Jesus for 30 pieces of silver, identifying him with a kiss in front of Roman soldiers. So he asks Judas, who is his friend, to sell him out, to betray him. It's treason to the general public, but between Jesus and Judas it's not treachery. The 5th of April 2006.
Take our lead.
Biblical narrative: the Son of Man goes, even as it is written of him, but woe to that man through whom the Son of Man is betrayed. It would be better for that man if he had not been born. Judas, who betrayed him, answered, "It isn't me, is it, Rabbi?" He said to him, "You said it."
Take our lead.
According to Matthew chapter 26 verse 50, Jesus responded by saying, "Friend, do what you are here to do." Luke chapter 22 verse 48 quotes Jesus saying, "Judas, are you betraying the Son of Man with a kiss?" Jesus' arrest follows immediately.
Let's help you make your mark.
Jesus is a great example of how to handle betrayal. We may not seek out being a martyr, but when faced with difficulties, we can remind ourselves that Jesus forgave those who hurt him, so we can strive to forgive those who have harmed us. He reminds us of God's strength and how God can get us through anything. 14 February 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Saint Matthias. Saint Matthias, flourished 1st century AD, Judea, d. traditionally Colchis, Armenia, Western feast day February 24th, Eastern feast day August 9th, the disciple who, according to the biblical Acts of the Apostles 1:21-26, was chosen to replace Judas Iscariot after Judas betrayed Jesus.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.